Hi everyone and welcome back to our iMobie YouTube channel. The recently launched iOS 18 generation software has brought a whole new feature experience that has made waves around the world. These new features keep attracting people to update their devices to iOS 18. However, the latest version does have some bugs. For example, it may cause you to get stuck in the green iOS screen problem. Just like Windows has a blue screen or black screen of death errors, iOS also has a green screen problems. But don't fret, our video will provide you with these 5 best ways to solve this issue easily and effortlessly. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in it to begin exploring right now. First, we need to know what may cause the iPhone green screen so that we can provide targeted solutions. Problems with the iPhone's display hardware are the most common cause of the green screen. This may be due to a fault in the screen itself, such as a problem with the screen driver circuit or display panel. Sometimes the iPhone software system may also have a bug, causing the screen to display abnormally and appear green. This usually occurs after a system upgrade or the installation of certain applications. If the iPhone is in a high temperature environment for a long time or is used intensively for a long period, it may cause the internal temperature to rise, causing a green screen or other display problems. The battery status of the iPhone may also affect the screen display. If the battery is aging or faulty, it may also cause a green screen. For those who have an iPhone green screen due to a system error, here we highly recommend AnyFix to solve this issue. By providing a comprehensive toolkit for iOS system repair, AnyFix can fix iPhone green screen issues without data loss. First of all, download and install AnyFix on your computer via the link in the description. Then, launch AnyFix utility and choose the system repair mode. Then choose the screen stuck mode and click on the Start Now button to keep on. Next, select Standard Repair feature. Then download the suitable firmware package for your iOS device. Then click on the Start Standard Repair button to repair your iOS system issues instantly and easily. And now AnyFix will start repairing your iPhone automatically. Please don't disconnect your device until it restores. Once the repair process is completed, click on OK and you will see the successful screen. As a professional iOS system repair tool, AnyFix can quickly fix any screen of death on an iPhone, such as iPhone black screen, iPhone screen not working, and many others. Experience hassle-free troubleshooting with just a few clicks and get your Apple device back to working perfectly in just minutes. We believe and hope you've already known how simple it is to fix iOS system using AnyFix application. Restarting your iPhone is a simple solution that you can try to fix iPhone green screen or any other iOS issue. This is because it can clear out many minor glitches in the device and make it run smoothly. For that, press and hold the iPhone's power button and volume down button until the screen displays the Apple logo and restarts automatically. After the restart is complete, check if the green screen issue still occurs. In case if you still encounter the green screen after restarting, you can choose to reinstall your iPhone, but this method will erase your data. Please keep it in mind. For that, go to the Default Settings app, then hit to General, scroll all the way down to Reset option, and here you need to tap on Reset All button. Then confirm the reset operation on your device, and your iPhone will be restored to factory settings automatically. After the setup is complete, check if the green screen problem still appears. If your iPhone is always in screen recording state after upgrading, it may be that your device is too old and not compatible with iOS 18 version. In this case, you can also choose AnyFix to downgrade. For that, get the latest version of AnyFix on your computer, then launch the application and click on Upgrade or Downgrade iOS panel. Connect the device to your computer via USB or Type-C cable, and in the pop-up menu, choose one click to downgrade iOS, iPadOS, and tap on Start Now button. Next, please select an older firmware version to download and tap on the Downgrade button to continue. Finally, AnyFix will start the iOS downgrading process automatically. When the whole procedure is completed, you will see the Downgrade completed page. Please don't disconnect your device until it restarts automatically. Well, we highly recommend you to use AnyFix application as it can easily solve problems such as iPhone stuck on backup, iPhone unable to reset, iPhone stuck in boot loop, and many others. However, if the above methods don't solve the problem at all, you may need to replace the iPhone screen. You can contact the Apple Genius Bar for a professional screen replacement. After this screen is replaced, please check if the green screen problem still occurs. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like this review, and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time. Peace.